हेलो गाइस, आई होप आप सब ठीक हो। आज का व्लॉग है, उसमें हमने बनाया है पिज़्ज़ा और वी मेड पिज़्ज़ा आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग।
हाय
सो
हाय
और वी मेड मम्मी आपे बहुत टाइम પછી पिज़्ज़ा બનાવ્યા ને
हाँ लॉन्ग टाइम
લોકો હસશે આપના ઉપર એવરી ટાઈમ पिज़्ज़ा જ બનાવી। दोस्तों हमने कल सेव ममरा बनाया था हमारे नाश्ते के लिए और हम सेव और ममरा वो सब घर पे ही बनाते हैं और अच्छे बनते हैं, स्पाइसी एंड क्रंची एंड नाइस। ओके
ये भगवान
तुम लोग को सिखा रहे हो। आंटी मॉम स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग मिमीना वे वे मिमीना। तुम लोग को सिखा रही हूँ। आपको क्या चाहिए हैं? What do you want? Rian? Goar? How many kilos? 5 kilos. Oh, 5 kilos. Aklokash. Okay, Aklokash. So Rian has come today Goar with so much Goar that comes from the farm. 5 kilos chukua. Huh? Pesagapi. Iko free. The mommy iko free. Bye bye. Tata. Tata. पपाई ले लो, रिंगरा ले लो, चोरा ले लो. Guys, so all this comes from the farm and the plot that we went. Chora, marcha, ringra. Oh my god, આટલા બધા ટમેટા આવી ગયા. મકાઈ and મોગરી. મમ્મી રીંગરા એમ જ કાચા. ઓકે. મમ્મી પાછું ગાવ ને. મીમી ના વે વે. Guys, Prashi is learning how to cook rice. So she already washed the rice and now we're adding some water. So she already put the water and now we're making the fragrance rice. So into the rice we'll add all our spices. So start adding the spices quickly. So you're putting cinnamon, drop it inside. And then you put some loving. We'll need more cinnamon, there's so much rice. Put loving quickly, quickly. Atla badha nahi ave ek be. Nakhi de. Okay. Next we're going to put, what is this? Bay leaf. Put it inside. Yeah, put this star anise. So these are all fragrant, these are all spices. और हमारे पास है, what is this? Elaichi. Good. Drop into, just open them a little and then drop them inside. Put this one now. What is this? Murri peppercorns. Put inside. So these are fragrances. So guys, when you put all these spices and make your rice, they really give a good fragrance. No, that's enough. Add some salt now.
This much?
Yeah. Depending on how much rice you're making, just add it, okay? Jeera from the spice box. Finally guys, just add some spoons of ghee. And please don't tell me that, oh, so fatty. Ghee is healthy for your gut. Okay, add some ghee. So just like you make khichdi, you add, put inside. And trust me, rice cooked with ghee tastes so delicious. Oh my god. So guys, give this a good stir and then let it soak for around 15 minutes is enough. And then we're not going to strain the water from this rice, okay? That's why make sure you don't add so much salt, because then they'll be salty. मासी का फ़ोन है, मासी कच्छ में है, दोनों की आवाज़ बहुत लाउड है. मासी स्टक की हो गई. मासी हूँ कहीं को ये गाओ तो हूँ कहीं को ये गाओ मिमी ना वे. Oh, your rice is ready. Oh, આટલું બધું. Okay. So with the rice we'll have ચોરાનું શાક or dal, anything you can have. I put it on top. Oops.
Yeah.
Guttu made pancake for yourself. All this. Whoa, looks good though. Good job. So this is basil leaves and this is sage and thyme and rocket leaves and rosemary. So all these herbs come whenever we plan to make pizzas. This is spinach that mom cut and it's drying now. Guys, these are the homemade bays that I've proofed and they're so huge. Look at how beautiful and soft the pizza crust is going to be. So we'll bake them now. Pizza base baked and ready. Whoa, so soft. and nice. They're so huge. Look at the room, it's a mess. Prashi is doing her wardrobe, sorting out all her clothes. और दोस्तों ये तो मेरा निकला एक ज़माना था दोस्तों, मैं ऐसे छोटे छोटे कपड़े पहन रही थी और दूर से कैटरीना कैफ ही दिख रही थी। कैटरीना कटरीना। दोस्तों यहाँ पे सारे आपके जो हर्ब्स है वो छोटे छोटे काट के आप लोग अपने वेजिटेबल्स में डाल दो और मिक्स कर दो ठीक से। और यहाँ पे हम लोग ने चीज़ ग्रेट की हुई है, सो मोज़रेला और चेडर और एवरीडे हम। So everything is ready for the pizza. The white crust homemade base is already. These are the brown whole wheat ones. These are from Cafe Mocha, thin crust. And our tomato paste is ready. This is the mixture of bell peppers and corn and the herbs. This is tomato paste without garlic. This one is with garlic. Onions are there, olives, mushrooms, seasonings, and also zucchini we put on our pizza, and also ringan we put on our pizza. And this is also mushrooms but toasted ones, green chilies, cheese, spring onions, and extra herbs for anyone who wants